Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show and hide the dock on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use a keyboard shortcut to perform this action. So we're going to start the tutorial. So in order to show and hide the dock, all we need to press on screen using the keyboard shortcut is Option, Command and D. That will bring back the dock on screen. Let's do that now. And so Option, Command D has brought back the dock on screen. Why do I hide this dock? Well, to bring back all the pixels that we do lose when we are viewing web pages or other applications, because we then do not have to worry about taking applications to full screen. Whereas when the dock is on screen, we have to worry about how much we can see on screen. Then we always have to take the applications to full screen. But with the dock not being there, we do not have to worry about that. And so we can also go all the way down to the dock, go to System Preferences, go to Dock, click on Automatically Hide and Show the Dock. That will show or hide the dock in accordance to what you require. So let's just click on that again, and the dock is no longer visible on screen. That's how you hide and show the dock on a Mac computer using keyboard shortcut. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.